This tutorial is how to view, print, and export form entries from your WordPress website using Gravity Forms. So the first thing you're going to have to do is log in to the admin area of your WordPress website. I'm going to jump back. So I'm logged into my site. And what you're going to do is you're going to click Forms, Entries. Now, if you have multiple forms, you have to select the form that you're interested in seeing the entries from. So up here is a little drop down, and I'm going to select my sample clinic form. So this sample clinic form is an excellent way to collect clinic entries or show entries. You can put anything you want in it. You can have them upload cogins. You can have them sign releases. And then the system stores it all in the back end of the website so you can quickly look and print. So that's what we're going to do now. So I have 3 entries for my clinic so far. So if I want to see the details on each one, I can hover over the name and then I can click view. Also, when these happen, you'll also get an email notification about the entry. So you will also get notified that way. So if you look here, this form is configured to collect their name, address, the horse information. It also allows them to upload cogins. So if you want to see the cogins, you can just click on this hot link and it will show you the file, and it's stored on your server forever or until you delete it. You can make them agree to like your refund policy. Your release form can be here, and this software actually will collect signatures and store them. And then it also has the ability to do calculations. So the clinic cost is $400, and then if they want stabling, it'll actually add it up and tell them, okay, this is the total you owe. Now, if you have PayPal or a merchant account, we can actually configure payment directly in the form, and they can make the payment right then and there. If you don't, we can put in the form your Venmo address and say, please send the money to your Venmo address. And we can also put in a QR code for your Venmo address, so to make payment easy. So as you can see, you have all this in a nice, neat format. If you want to print the entries, you can. So if I just click this print button, it's going to bring up a printable form, and then you just select your printer and you can print the form. Another really handy thing with these forms is the exporting capability. So I'm going to just go back to my entries, just hit the back button. So you could look at each one individually if you wanted to see. The other thing you can do is you can actually mass export all of these into a spreadsheet. So if I click import export, and I'm going to select my form, in this case the sample clinic form, and then you can even tell it what fields to export. I'm just going to export all of them. And let's say you didn't export yesterday, so you only want new ones. You could put the dates in, but let's just say I want all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and download all my clinic entries, and I'll click OK. And then when I click on this, it's really nice because it puts it in a nice Excel spreadsheet with all the information, including a link to their cogins or whatever you made them upload, what days, what level. As you can see, the levels are listed, whether they want stabling, how much they owe, and the links to the release forms. And so it's very handy if you were creating show entries or trying to organize how many beginner novice riders do I have. It's all right here. So that's pretty much in a nutshell the functionality of the forms. We can create forms for anything you can think of. Horse shows, breeding contracts, boarding contracts, you name it, we can do it. Thank you for looking at this presentation.